What's up, guys? I'm out here on the 06 WR450. Gonna do a quick rip around the block. Haven't rode this thing in like a week. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear any of this audio. This thing is loud. It's got the FMF slip-on that's blew out. I'm sure it needs to be repacked. Got some hours on her. A whole lot of hours. I don't know if it's a whole lot. It's like over 200. That may be a lot for supermotos. I don't really know. This is my first supermoto, so I'm a noob out here on this thing. It's got plenty of power though. Fun little bike. You gotta have the fanny pack. When your display's broken, gotta have the fanny pack covered up, put your goods in it, keep them safe, protected. Got the Impact Tech one finger clutch on here. That was a nightmare dealing with Impact Tech. Would not recommend to anyone. If you're thinking about Impact Tech, anything, go hit up the reviews on Google. You'll see what's up. It takes forever to get it. Customer service is pretty trash. Then when I finally got my lever, it didn't come with a ball bearing, so I just had a lever, just sitting there grinding. Put it on my Grom, took it off the Grom, sent it back. It took forever. Then I finally got it back with a ball bearing, and it works good though. But I just, the customer service sucks. The product's not bad, but customer service sucks. So just keep that in mind. Just be prepared to wait maybe 6 months to a year. But anyway, that's my rant. I'm done with that. I'm over it. I forgive Impact Tech. But anyway, out here riding this unit. Gonna have to put some fuel in this thing. I feel like it does pretty decent on fuel, but it definitely drinks it as well. I would tell you what's all done to this thing, but I really got no idea. This carbureted setup. It's got a lot of little blingy goodies on it. It's really just a beater. Real beater-ish supermoto unit. It does the job though. And I can never speed on it because I don't know what speed I'm doing. So if I'm speeding, it's not intentional. Well, that's my excuse anyway. Oh, nobody's at the fuel spot. Get a little fuel. Good old turn signal I didn't put on there. Alright. $4.13, not horrible. See how much I got in here. I don't see any, so I hear it, but I don't see it. Don't be trying to steal my credit card information, you weirdos. Loading. Okay. I'm gonna try not to. Yeah, that's what I thought was gonna happen. Wild out here, getting too wild. Can't hold on. This is a wild animal. Go hit him with the hand signal. Well, I could just hit this little thingy. Not very visible though. Oh well. You're probably wondering, like, will this thing even do a wheelie? Will it do a wheelie? That's what everybody wants to know, right? Everybody. Will it do a wheelie? Maybe, I don't know. Maybe get one. The front brake is just trash. Fork seals are blown out, so no stoppies are coming your way anytime soon. At all. Good little quiet stretch. Let's see what's up here. Alright. Oh! Too high. A little bit higher than I wanted to go. I'll redo that. Sorry guys, I'm a scrub, squid, scrub, noob, all of that. Let's see, all the front brake. Let's put all the front brake down. Oh no, blown out fork seals. Who knew you needed fork seals to do a stoppie? Not me. Let's see. This thing's got plenty of power to wheelie. You really don't have to be that good. It does know how to work your back brake. See, I can't turn very good. Don't want to embarrass myself. But there it is. It'll do it. It'll do it all day. Pretty fun bike though. I don't think you really go wrong with a WR. I know this thing, like I said, has been beat on. It's been crashed, not by me, knock on wood, knock on this, but it's probably inevitable. One day, probably happen. Hopefully not today. So if we can get another little wheelie in. I'm garbage. Very garbage on that one. It'd be fun to take it on the runway. Nice, smooth. See what it'd do. I would do a top speed run for you, but like I said, we have no mile per hour indicator on here. Well, I guess it's on here, it's just that, you know, it's broken. What else can I say about this thing? Whatever, just, you know, keep the oil change in them, which is a given. I changed out the air filter oil, changed sprockets, the usual. I don't know where to go. Back here. Only bad thing about living in the country, there's not really a bunch of cool spots, like street spots. Not a whole lot of stairs or urban moto to do. But got some wide open spaces. Same ride's pretty good overall. I ain't got many complaints with it. I really don't have many complaints with the bike overall at all. I mean, it's fun. It's just old steel frame. Of course, it's kind of a perk in my opinion. I kind of like the steel frames myself. Not the most stylish bike, but steel frame should last a pretty good while. Take some abuse, which is good for a noob like me. Roads. Get off of this here highway. Here we go. Excessive braking, excessive braking. I can't see a dang thing. That was sketch. Sun shining in my eyes. One of our trucks on the side of the road with equipment. Thank the Lord. You gotta say your prayers before you get on the bike. Everybody knows that. You never know. Alright, I'll get back to y'all when I get on a more fun ride.